Hello everyone, our today's topic is what is the protection tools available in the cybersecurity for Kali Linux. Okay, we'll be seeing our tools in the Kali Linux operating system. So I have enlisted the tools here which we'll be overviewing in a brief. Okay, so here is a CLAM AV, UFW, RK Hunter, Nessus, vulnerability scanner, and MobSF tool for the mobile application scanner. Okay, I'll be also showing you a practical approach of the tools. First, we have to install this clam AV tool. So it needs a command. For that we need a command to update it. Yes, so we will be updating our operating system first. Just hit the command apt update. It will be updating our operating system. Right now I'm stopping it because it will be taking some time. And how to install tool now? The command is apt install clam AV. Just hit the enter and the tool will be getting installed. Now how to scan using this tool? It's a simple command, clam scan scan and -h. Because of this -h, what we can see, the help menu. Just a second. Yes, here it is. So we can see the help menu using this clam scan -help menu, -help command. Here are the all types of scan we can perform using this tool. Now we have to scan an entire system with the antivirus. We just have to enter a command clam scan and hit the enter. This command will be scanning all this directory of this desktop and showing us the result for is there any suspicious files available on our desktop directory. Yes, it will be taking some time and showing us the result. It's a simple command line interface tool available in our Kali Linux operating system. Yes, so it's scanning for the any kind of malware or trojans. Yes, now just like you can see here, it's scanning every file like www.jpg.output, each and every file available in my desktop. Okay, I'll be hitting the ls command to see what is the file available in our desktop, and here are the all files. Yes, and it will be scanning each and every file for the any kind of virus or trojan available in it. So here it founds a one kind of trojan which is in win malware metasploit. It's a windows defender.exe. It found the one kind of malware which is known as windows malware.metasploit. Okay, and it's having a special code for it. And it's also found one trojan which was I was having a one file naming a payload.exe, and it's having an it found that it's a trojan and showing us the found, and other files which are not having any kind of malware, it's showing that it's okay. Okay, then next tool, what next tool we have? Then we have an UFW, uncomplicated firewall. It's a simple firewall for our Kali Linux. What is the firewall we are using in our Windows operating system? This firewall is open source and it's providing us a bit of security. So how to install it? It's a simple command, apt install UFW. I'll be just copying this command and pasting it in our terminal. And our antivirus, or you can say a firewall, got installed. Okay, now how to enable it? It's a simple command, UFW enable. It will be enabling a firewall for us. Okay, and how to disable it? We can disable it just entering the command disable. Now what is the use of this firewall? It will be blocking us or showing us if we are visiting any suspicious websites, or if we are downloading any kind of suspicious file in our Kali Linux operating system. Okay, then we are having next tool which is known as RK Hunter. It's used for checking any rootkit available. Okay, is there any rootkit available in our operating systems in a Kali Linux? It will be checking. Okay, so how to install it? It's a simple command, apt install RK Hunter. Okay, I'll be just copying this command and pasting it in our terminal. apt install RK Hunter. It will be installing all the files needed for the RK Hunter. I have already installed it, that's why it's showing, and we don't need to update anything, it's up to date. Okay, then how to update it? It's a simple command, RK Hunter -- update. Now I have to check, as my RK Hunter tool is already updated, I just have to check how the how we can use this RK Hunter to find any kind of rootkit available in our Kali Linux. So before doing this check, I want you guys to know what is a rootkit in a brief. Okay, rootkit is something a kind of payload or a Trojan malware which will be providing an whole access of your operating system to the attacker. Okay, so this RK Hunter tool will be scanning for your entire system and letting us know that is there any kind of rootkit available in our operating system or not. I'll just entering the command RK Hunter check, and it will be scanning entire system and finding us is there any rootkit or any malicious malware available in our operating system or not. So we'll be letting this tool to run. So yes, it's scanning each and every file. As you can see, it's scanning from the user bin add users to chroot and each and every file available in our operating system. It will be also scanning a network and letting us know is there any kind of malicious malware or rootkit available in our operating system or not. If now it's showing okay, means there is no any kind of malware available in our operating system in a particular location. But if this root its RK Hunter tool found any kind of malware available in our operating system, it will be showing like this kind of warning to us. See, as you can see, it has shown the user /bin /lwp hyphen request is having some kind of malicious malware available in the Kali Linux. Okay, so as you can see here, it's asking me to continue. Yes, checking for rootkits. Now it's checking all the rootkits available. See, these are the all type of rootkits. It's checking is it available in our operating system of Kali Linux or not. If we found any kind of rootkits available in our operating system, it will be just showing found or a warning here. So it's scanning all the available rootkits in our market and letting us know. We'll be giving it some time to this and it will be showing us. It's also scanning for the additional rootkits. Yes, as it scan, we will analyzing the result. Okay, yes, you can also check the version. If it's updated, you will be seeing 1.4.6, and if it's not in the current date, you can just update it using a simple command rootkit RK Hunter hyphen update. Okay, then your tool will be getting updated as per the newest rootkits available in the market. It's also checking for the malware checks, checking running processes for suspicious files, and checking for suspicious large shared memory segments. It found some kind of malware here and showing us the warning. Now it's asking for the again permission to perform scan in the network. It didn't found anything suspicious in the network. Yes, it's found something like checking if SSH root access is allowed. It means SSH port, maybe my operating system's SSH port is open. Now it found us the result. The summary of the result will be file properties check, file checked 144, suspected file 1, rootkit checks 499, possible rootkits means that 9 possible rootkits may be available in my operating system. As I am using an Kali Linux, it's an attacker operating system and offensive operating system. It's obvious that I can find a rootkit in my operating system. Maybe it's developed by me only. The system check 2 minutes. The system check took 2 minutes and 40 seconds. It will also showing us how many time it took to perform a scan. Okay, so this is a RK Hunter toolkit for you guys, and we are also having other tools like Nessus, which is graphical interface tool, and a MobSF. We'll be briefly overviewing this tool. Okay, so to see the Nessus, I've already it take a time to download and install and enable Nessus, but I have already configured it, and I'll just showing you how the scan looks like. So here are the Nessus looks like. We can scan. Here are the options to scan. Just I have to click on the new scan and select the option which I have to scan. Some upgraded labeled scan is available only in the paid version of the Nessus, but other scans are freely available. I have scanned some vulnerable machines, and I'll be showing you how it's look like when you find any kind of vulnerabilities. So here I have scanned a metasploitable machine which is having certain kind of vulnerabilities available. It's also showing the criticalness and the severiness of the vulnerability according to the CBSS code. Okay, so I have found near about let's see 7 critical vulnerabilities, 4 high vulnerabilities, and 30 low vulnerabilities, 8 you can say 30 medium vulnerabilities, 8 low vulnerabilities, and 92 informative vulnerabilities. Here are the options you can check here. Okay, according to color, I have defined the how many numbers of vulnerabilities available and which severity the vulnerability is. Okay, it's also showing us all the vulnerabilities with the detailed information in it. Just click on the vulnerability, it will be showing a detailed description of the particular vulnerability and also showing us where I can or we can see the particular vulnerability and read it all detailed information. Here are the reference links provided by the NISS. Okay, it's also showing us the recommends how to mitigate it, some kind of recommendations to mitigate this kind of vulnerabilities. Okay, now we have another tool naming mob sf, which is used for the mobile application scanning. It's also take a long time to install this tool, so I'll be just briefly overviewing you how the tools look like. Okay, I'll just running the tool. Once the tool get run, I'll be letting you, I'll showing you the interface option, how the MOV SF looks like, and I'll be scanning one file for you, and I'll be showing you how the APK will be getting, how we can analyze the particular APK, is the APK is malicious or not. Okay, we'll just give some time for the MOV SF tool to run, and yes, it's running. Okay, how to access it? It's a simple 127. It's just accessing in our localhost 127.0.0.1 colon 8000. Just hit the enter and you will be seeing this kind of interface. The default username and password will be mobsf. Just hit sign in and you will be seeing this kind of interface, and you have to upload the file to analyze it. Just click on it. I'll be uploading one APK naming Android APK, which is developed in a Metasploit, and let's see will this mobsf tool or framework is able to analyze this APK and show us whether the APK is vulnerable or it's a malicious APK or not. So it's analyzing the APK, the permissions, yes. So it has analyzed everything and shown us that is it vulnerable or not. We'll just seeing the malware analysis and we'll be going to the permissions. Yes, what kind of permission this app is taking. So the app is taking the location permission, find GPS, then network permission, then it's also taking a phone call permission, the camera permission, and which is a dangerous permission, guys. Here is a red call logs to read the call logs and to view the contacts. All these kind of permissions it's taking, and other kind of permission like phone state, sending SMSs. So basically this is an payload which is developed for the Android hacking. Okay, so these are the tools, guys, which we use for the protection of our operating systems or analyzing the file. That's it. Thank you for today, guys.